Sanibona bafethu uVane lo so namhlanje ngizoshaya iAfcon prediction yami. Abantu abaningi kade bengibuza ukuthi Vane uyishaya nini iAfcon prediction yakho? Imaphi wena ngokwakho ama club ozowabona eya ku la 16 lapho khona ezobe yesiyodlala kulamanqamu. Okay, ngesonto bafethu iyaqala iAfcon. Njoba nje iqala iAfcon bafethu kulapho kusobe kudlala khona iMorocco. Mase ukuthi Monday kudlale iBafana Bafana. Ningayikhohlwa iBafana iyodlala against iAngola. So nawa ke ama predictions ami. Ngizoqala nje from group A ngize ngiye ku group F. Remember ke kunama club awu24. Njengoba ama-club awu24 kumele kuye ama-club awu16 kwi-last of 16 lapho khona kuzobe kudlala ama-knockout stages. So i-group ngayinye kumele kuthathwe 2 teams, 2 from group A, 2 from group B, 2 from group F. Mase ukuthi kube khona ama-club ayi4. Lawo ma-club ayi4 azobe ama-third best ranked teams. Yabo. Mengithi third best ranked teams kuzothathwa kuwo wonke ama-club aphuma number 3 kuzobheka ukuthi yipi i-team ebe nama-point amaningi, yipi i-team ekora amagoli amaningi. Mase kuyaqhathaniswa ke lapho bahlunge ama-team awu4. Lawo ma-team ayi4 na-ke azobe sihlanganise ama-club amangaki. Kuzobe befaka kuma-club awu12. Remember ke kuzowina ama-club awu12 iwona azothathwa ayiswe phezulu. Mase kuthi lawo 4 iwona kuzokhethwa kuwona kuma-third ranked best teams. So ngokwami ke nayi prediction engizoyenza bafethu, wena ngwangitshela ngokwakho ukuthi maphi ama-team owabona ezodlulela ayiphambili. Bafethu ke iAfcon njengamanje ibhola nje lase South Africa sothi kuma kancane sokhuluma iAfcon nje kule duration of isizini. So ugroup A kukhona bani? Kukhona iMorocco, kukhona iMali, kukhona iZambia, mase kuba khona iComoros. Bafethu I think bafethu ku obvious ama host nations ngokwami ayadlulela phambili lama host nations, and ngiyiboni mfethu i-host nation iMorocco idliwa. Angiyiboni bafethu iMorocco idliwa kule group le abakuyona. Yabo, for me I think ku obvious. I think iMorocco and iMali iwona ama team azo progressa aye phambili. Yabo, Comoros with iZambia I don't think abachita bazokwazi ukuthi ba survive, but ke you can tell me in the comments. Maybe iZambia I see them maybe getting their chance with that best ranked team, but ke asas. Yabo, mase kuthi ku group B I see Bafana Bafana i-topper le group le. I see Egypt ibu number 2. Maybe ka abantu bazothi ngi-biased because I'm a South African. No, I'm not being biased, I'm being honest here. I see Bafana Bafana versus Egypt kuba i-draw, and I see Bafana Bafana i-winner against Angola and Zimbabwe. Yabo, to be honest, I don't see Egypt as a threat. Egypt inenkinga right now. Even Mohamed Salah akekho on form, Mamushi is another player who's not on form. Al-Ahly ayenzi kahle. So kuningi nje ngabafethu okuyihambela kambi Egypt. So I don't think bazoyinikeza inkinga ngaleyo ndlela iBafana Bafana, because remember iBafana Bafana nabadlala abaningi abasoku Sundowns nabasoku no Pirates bayakwazi ukudlala against North African teams. Bayayazi indlela abadlala ngayo ama North African teams, especially ama team aqhamuka ko Egypt. So iZimbabwe angifuni ukukhuluma yeZimbabwe kakhulu, sine score esikhulu esifuna ukuseklisha ukuthi iZimbabwe. Angola angiyazi ngaleyo ndlela Angola, ngazi ukuthi bamnandi kakhulu mekuzodlala iCOSAFA, but ke on a global stage like iAfcon nakhona I don't think abachita bawusinikeza inkinga, but ke anything can happen bafethu kuAfcon. Our first game iBafana Bafana izodlala nayi Angola, so I want to see Bafana Bafana iwina noma ngo3 or 4-1. But again, you can tell me in the comments uyibona Bafana Bafana izokwenza njani wena la ku group B. Yabo, I see them going to ila 16. Mase ketheka ku group C. Ku group C kukhona bani uNigeria, kukhona bani iTunisia, mase kuba khona iUganda. Number 1 wami kule group le I see Tunisia ibu number 1, mase kuthi Nigeria ibu number 2. Yabo, iUganda for me I don't see them. Tanzania with the Uganda. Maybe Tanzania, you can make your case. Maybe bazoba khona kuma third best ranked teams. But you can tell me in the comments, do you see Tanzania? Because Tanzania ngiyalazi ibhola lakhona limnandi right now, ibhola lakhona yabo li on top. Maningi ama team atop asuka lapho Simba SC, abo Young Africans kanje. So ama team akhona ngempela alithanda ibhola, nama fans akhona alithanda ibhola. So I can see them posing a threat kule group le. So I see Nigeria kodwa ke ibu number 2 with Tunisia ibu number 1. Mase kuthi kubane ku group D. Ku group D na khona bafethu kukhona iSenegal, iDR Congo, iBenin neBotswana. For me I feel like this is a group of death. This is a group of death, and I don't see Botswana isuka la ihleli khona right now. iBotswana ngeyizisuke la ihleli khona. Izohlala nje lapha egcineni. I feel like le group le bafethu i-ranked ngale ndlela le ngimele ibe ranked ngakhona, but ke I see iBenin ikhoza i-threats, but ke I don't see Senegal isuka lapha phezulu. So between two of these teams, iBenin with the DR Congo, 2 of them ngenzeka bafethu babu number 2 noma number 3, but ke I trust the DR Congo ukuthi ihlale lapha bafethu bu number 2 with the Senegal ibu number 1, because the DR Congo phela one of the teams aya le yabo ayodlala ama-playoffs e-World Cup yabo. Singisazi ke bafethu i-AFCON le ayifani nama-qualifications e-World Cup. Mase kuthi ku-Group E. Ku-Group E nakhonani kukhona i-Algeria, i-Burkina Faso, i-Equatorial Guinea, mase kuba i-Sudan. Ayisila phana bafethu i-Burkina Faso with i-Algeria bebe number 1 number 2. Algeria izoba number 2 mase kuthi Burkina Faso ibu number 1. Burkina Faso izoba number 1 mase kuthi Algeria ibu number 2. Equatorial Guinea, I see them qualifying for the third best ranked club yabo ekhona ku-AFCON. I don't see them going to ila 16 kahle. I see them qualifying through the third best clubs yabo. Mase kuthi laphana ku Group F, i-group yokugcina bafethu lapho khona i-Cote d'Ivoire, i-Ivory Coast, mase kuthi i-Cameroon, i-Gabon, mase kuthi Mozambique yabo. Lina nakhona nale isketch kakhulu, so I see i-Ivory Coast ibu number 1. I see ibu number 1 Ivory Coast, mase kuthi i-Cameroon ibu number 2, iGabon neMozambique bafethu I don't think abajita bazokwazi ukuthi bafinyelele kwisigaba esizayo yabo. So mina ngokwami ke ama-club engizowabona ephumelela eya le labo ama-club awu4 azokhethwa as the third best ranked yabo. Ngasho ukuthi DRC, ngingasho ukuthi Zambia, ngingasho ukuthi le club le Equatorial Guinea, ngisho mhlawumbe ukuthi Tanzania yabo, mhlawumbe ngasho nayo ukuthi Tanzania. So iwona ke lawa ama-club awu4 engabona kahle ukuthi hayi mhlawumbe labo bangadlulela phambili yabo. But ke kulamanye ke bafethu I see yabo i-Cote d'Ivoire, i-Cameroon, i-Algeria, i-Burkina Faso, mase ukuthi ibani i-Senegal with i-DR Congo. Ngenza iphutha lapha bafethu bengiqonde iBenin, ngixolisa nje kakhulu bengiqonde iBenin. I see iBenin iba khona kuphathi lama team awu4 yabo. I see iBenin iba kulawo ma-club lawo ayi4 yabo. Mase kuthi ku-Group C kube bani uTunisia with iNigeria, mase kuthi ku-Group B kube bani u-Egypt with iSouth Africa, kuthi ku-Group A kube Mali with iMorocco. You can tell me in the comments wena ngokwakho imaphi ama-club azodlulela kwisigaba sesibili ngokwakho. Mina ngokwami iwona bafethu lama-club lawa iwona aphosa i-threats. Asazi ke bafethu i-AFCON, every time AFCON full of surprises. Bafana the last time yaphuma number 3. Njengoba yaphuma nje number 3, they had to go through the best ranked teams yabo. So kwakunzima ngempela for Bafana, but we managed to go to ama-semi-final yabo. Kwakunzima kunjalo but saphuma kuma-semi-final yabo. Kumnyama kunje yabo, sacishe sayiwina. This time Bafana kumele iwine, kumele ibuye nayo imedali eyigolide. Last time sabuya ne-bronze, this time igolide liyadingakala ngempela. uHugo Broos nabafana bakhe kumele benze Bafana ibe proud. You can tell me in the comments wena ngokwakho, where do you see Bafana izophumelela kuphi, iyiphi club ezoyithatha le-AFCON.